So we have another example here, this time with a lot more terms. So we're just going to have to make sure we're careful with how we do our division. So again, the denominator is what we're dividing by, and the numerator is what we put inside of the long division symbol. So we have a lot of terms here. So remember, all you're trying to do when you start this algorithm is you're trying to figure out what value for the first term of my dividing polynomial gets rid of the first term of the polynomial I'm dividing by. And then everything else that happens after that, you just deal with it as it comes along. But that's always your goal at each step of doing this long division algorithm. How can I eliminate the first term of what's left inside by using the first term of my dividing polynomial? So what do I have to multiply by x squared to get x to the fourth power? Well, that's just going to be x squared. If you take x squared and multiply it by x squared, you add the exponents. 2 plus 2 is going to give us 4. So we accomplish our goal for the first step, and then we just have to make sure we carry along and multiply x squared by the rest of our terms. So x squared times positive 6x is plus 12x to the third. And then x squared times 9 is plus 9x squared. Now in this case, we actually get rid of two terms. We get rid of the x to the fourth power. X to the fourth power minus x to the fourth power is 0. We also get rid of this second term here, 12x to the third minus 12x to the third. And then we have 38x squared minus 9x squared. That's going to be plus 29x squared. So 38 minus 9 is going to give us 29. Okay, and now I just want to copy down what I have remaining. Okay, again, our goal is how do I use x squared, or what can I multiply by x squared to get rid of 29x squared? Well, we're going to have to multiply by 29. So x squared times 29 is 29x squared. 29 times 6, we're going to have to get a calculator for it because I did not know that off the top of my head. 29 times 6 is going to give us 174. And then 29 times 9 is 261. So again, we have 29x squared minus 29x squared. That's 0. We have positive 12 minus 174. That's going to give us negative 162x. And then we have negative 63 minus 261. So we have negative 63 minus 261. So that's going to give us negative 324. And now again, the degree of the polynomial we're dividing by is 2, and the degree of what's left is 1, so we stop. So let me just make a note of this here. So the degree of the divisor is 2. degree of remainder is 1. So we stop. Okay, so our answer is x squared plus 29 plus negative 162x minus 324 divided by x squared plus 6x plus 9. And that is our final answer. So again, the polynomial you're dividing by on the outside, polynomial you're dividing on the inside, your goal at each step is to eliminate the first term of what's remaining with the first term of your dividing polynomial. And when the degree of your dividing polynomial is bigger than the degree of the remainder, you stop. And your final answer is whatever polynomial you have on top, plus your remainder if you do have one. And that remainder, the way you write it, is you write the remainder in the numerator divided by your dividing polynomial.